Ultrasound helps you do amazing things, and you ask a lot of it. You need superior image quality even on difficult-to-image patients. You need tools that can handle complexity, yet are simple to use. And you need a workhorse that can handle any workflow. But starting today, you may want to rethink everything you know about ultrasound. Because today, there's Epic, and it delivers the performance, intelligence, and design you've always wished for in an ultrasound machine. The Philips proprietary EnSite imaging architecture introduces a totally new approach to forming exceptional ultrasound images. Unlike conventional systems that form the image line by line, EnSite creates images with optimal resolution, down to the pixel level, in real time. It's our most powerful architecture ever applied to ultrasound imaging. Epic elevates ultrasound from a passive to an active device. With automatic anatomy recognition, protocols for automatic functionality, and proven quantification, exams are easier to perform, more reproducible, and deliver new levels of clinical information, enabling you to make more confident diagnoses. Epic totally reinvents the ultrasound user experience. Its innovative tools increase exam efficiency. Its tablet-like touch interface lets you work with up to 40 to 80% less reach and 15% fewer steps. Epic is almost silent when running, equivalent to the sound of a library. It's amazingly portable, lightest in its class, and 40% lighter than the heaviest competitive premium system. And Epic is our greenest machine yet, consuming 25% less power than our traditional ultrasound machines.